Hi! In this video, we'll walk you through how to sync your Google Sheet with Call Agent AI campaign. Start by creating a new Google spreadsheet. In the first row, add headers like first name, last name, phone number, and email address. If you'd like to track the outcome of each call, you can also add a column called Call Outcome. To allow Call Agent AI to access your sheet, you'll need to share it with our service account. Click the Share button in the top right corner of your Google Sheet. In the Email field, enter this email address. Set the permission to Editor, then click Send. Now, grab your Sheet ID. Look at the URL of your Google Sheet. The Sheet ID is the long string between d/and/edit. Next, check the name of your Sheet tab. That's the label at the bottom of the page. By default, it's usually called Sheet 1, unless you've renamed it. Copy the tab name exactly as it appears. Now, log in to your Call Agent AI dashboard. Go to the Campaigns module, then click the Add Campaign button. Enter a campaign name. Select your assistant. Choose whether this is for outbound or inbound calls, and set your campaign schedule. Once everything looks good, click Create. Click on the Google Sheet tab inside your campaign settings. Paste your Sheet ID into the Sheet ID field. Then enter your tab name into the Tab Name field. Once done, click the Sync Sheet button. When you hit Sync, our system will read the headers from your Google Sheet. You'll then need to select the column that contains your lead's phone number. After that, click the Save button to finalize your campaign setup. If you're ready to start immediately, you can also click the Run Now button to launch the campaign right away. That's it! You've successfully synced your Google Sheet with Call Agent AI. You're now ready to launch campaigns with real-time updates directly into your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.